I'm a new Etsy seller. What is the fastest way to get traffic and to get sales? Well, here is what you will need. First off, and this is something that a lot of people overlook, and that is you need a product that has demand. I hear a lot of people saying, like, I'm going to launch this product, but they haven't done their research. They haven't validated that it's even getting searched for. That's a huge mistake that I see a lot of new Etsy sellers making. And let's be honest, even some of the experienced Etsy sellers, they've been on the platform for a while, but their sales aren't that great. And a lot of times it's making that one simple tweak, because all the other things that we want to do to drive traffic, to market our products, it's going to be hard if you're trying to market to something that no one is searching for. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to look and see, are the products that we are launching, that we are creating, are they actually getting searched for? I want that to really, really sink in for you, because when you're thinking about what products to launch, make sure that you're going after products that have clear demand. Having demand is one of the most important parts of this entire thing, or it's not going to work. Now, moving on, let's say that, okay, that's good. We've got good sales demand. We got good search traffic. We know that. What's the next step? Well, we do need to optimize our listing. Now, I'm going to talk a little bit about why this isn't the holy grail, because it used to be, but it isn't really anymore. And that is SEO. So we want to make sure that we have a good title of search phrases that are being searched for. So do you remember what I just said about, well, we want to be able to find products that have high demand and they're searched for? That's because when we put it in our title, we want that title to be the thing that's being searched for. All right. So that's really, really important. Now, is that going to magically make you appear for when someone searches for that? No, not at all. Because if you have someone out there, or maybe it's a product that has, I don't know, 50 different people selling the same exact thing or very similar, going after the same keyword, what's going to separate you? Well, it's not SEO necessarily. Now, you want to be up there. You want to be, you want to be considered. But the way that you're going to be able to get sales is to run some Etsy ads, because we want to get traffic immediately. If you're just going to do SEO, which again is title, good images, good description, good tags, all of those things are all in check. We need to get sales. And the way that we get sales is we run Etsy ads. Now, another way you can do it is you can do it if you have an email list, but a lot of new sellers don't have an email list yet, but you will in the future. So that would be another resource to drive traffic. So this way here, we can boost our ranking in the Etsy algorithm, because Etsy wants to promote products that are selling. Makes sense, right? They're going to make the most money if you make a sale. Now, some people think, well, they're going to make money on the Etsy ads. They're going to make a fraction of what they're going to make on Etsy ads than what they're going to make on the product with the transaction fee, the listing fee, like all of that stuff. They're going to make more there if they can get more sales than just you paying 50 cents a click on your Etsy ads. But Etsy ads is a huge component here. So it's really, to me, those are the first three things that I would say to any new seller. And if that's you, pay attention and write these down. Number one, make sure that you're doing your product research and you're going after products that have good search demand, search and sales demand, both of those. Second thing is you want a well-optimized listing, because even though SEO alone is not going to get you traffic, it needs to be there, because once you do start injecting sales using Etsy ads, well, then you're going to be able to rank, because you have been indexed and identified as that is the search term that you are targeting. And again, like I just said, the third thing is you need traffic. And the easiest way to do it out of the gate is just turn on the Etsy ads, even at a small budget, $2, $5 a day. And then you're going to be going from nowhere being seen to where you're going to be placed in these different areas, because Etsy is going to now see that your listing is optimized for all of these keywords, and it's going to start showing you on the paid ad side for these types of keywords. So, new sellers, if that's you, make sure that you follow that criteria. Moving forward in 2024 and beyond, it is going to be critical that you follow these guidelines. So that's what I would do if I was starting over from scratch today.